Yes, yesterday we started with the chapter number 14, that is symmetry, and we have discussed about the symmetry of the different solid shapes. Yes, let's discuss about the symmetry of the different alphabets. Okay, now we are starting with the alphabets that have vertical line of symmetry. Vertical line of symmetry, like A. So if you join the line like this, it will divide A into two equal parts. अब देखो A जो B है ना, B that has horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, C, D, E, F की नहीं होती लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री, G की भी नहीं होती, H. ऐसे अल्फाबेट्स भी हैं, those have two lines of symmetry, having both line of symmetry. वो कौन से हैं? H, I, J की नहीं होती लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री, K की भी नहीं होती, G, H, I, J, K, L, L की नहीं होती, M, M has vertical line of symmetry, N की नहीं होती. ठीक है, पहले आप इतना ड्रॉ करो, फिर हम आगे कंटिन्यू करते हैं. Yes, we have reached to M, then N. N has no line of symmetry. We will also write the alphabet that don't have any line of symmetry later on after doing this. And O. O has both line of symmetry like this, vertical as well as horizontal. Okay, draw this. Yes, after O, P is there. P don't have any line of symmetry. If you want to draw, you can. There is no line which can divide it into two equal parts. So P don't have any line of symmetry. Q also don't have. R is not having any line of symmetry. S again don't have, because if you divide S like this line will not overlap it this completely. T has both line of symmetry, vertical. Okay, T has only vertical line of symmetry. T has only vertical line of symmetry. ये T है आपका, ये T है यहां तक. It has only vertical line of symmetry. U has vertical line of symmetry. V has vertical line of symmetry. W has vertical line of symmetry. X has both line of symmetry. Y don't have any line of symmetry, but if you draw Y like this, then it has line of symmetry. अगर आप y को ऐसे ड्रॉ करते हो देन इट हैज लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री, और अगर आप ऐसे ड्रॉ करते हो तो इट हैज नो लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. z don't have any line of symmetry. z don't have any line of symmetry. Arpita is there in the class. Arpita. Now after this you have to write the alphabets that don't have any line of symmetry. Hope you all have drawn this. Done? Done, beta? Now, alphabets that don't have any line of symmetry. Alphabets that don't have any line of symmetry. Okay, so first alphabet, the alphabets that you have skipped in between, those alphabet will come here in this category. ठीक है? F, G, I, J, K, L, M, N, Q, R, S, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are the alphabet that don't have any line of symmetry. Okay. P will be also there in this category that don't have any line of symmetry. Yes, any doubt in this topic? Any doubt, beta? Okay, now let's start with the exercise 14.1. First question. There are so many figures given in the book, so I am discussing 1, 2 of these and remaining you will do. One square is given and there are 2 small circles. You have to draw the line of symmetry for this. If you draw the line of symmetry like this, then these 2 circles will overlap each other. And in the same manner, you can draw the line of symmetry like this. As you know that in case of the square, you have 4 lines of symmetry, but due to these 2 small circles that are given in the question, you have just 2 lines of symmetry. So the first part is this has 2 lines of symmetry that you have to draw in the book. See the next part, you have 2 circles here. So obviously if you draw the line like this, they will not overlap each other. In the same manner, if you draw the horizontal line, that will also not work as a line of symmetry. So surely you have to draw the line of symmetry like this only, so that they will, when you turn this paper about this line, when you fold this paper about this line, they will surely overlap. So it has only 1 line of symmetry. Okay, complete this first question in the book. I am waiting. Hurry up, complete all the parts with pencil only in the book. Yes, have you done this next part? That is again having 2 circles like this. So it will have only 1 line of symmetry. Check your answers. All the answers have already been given in the back side of the book. So it has only 1 line of symmetry, so that they can, all the circles will also overlap each other. Do the next part, E, F, do all these parts, hurry up. Question number 2 is also same, so I am waiting for you. You please do question number 1, 2, 3 in the book. Do it, hurry up. Have you completed the first question? Second question mein, you have given 1 line of symmetry and you have to form the remaining. As much line of symmetry you can make, you have to complete it. Or line of symmetry is given. In this question, line of symmetry is given and 1 circle is given. You are told to फाइंड द अदर होल, यहां आएगा अदर होल, ये फर्स्ट पार्ट. You have given this square. This is the line of symmetry. If one hole is at this point, the other hole should lie on this. Okay, complete this. Complete the question. Next is your triangle. This is the, can you tell me which type of triangle is this? This is isosceles triangle. Because two of, ये equilateral भी हो सकता है क्योंकि बुक में equilateral बना हुआ है. ये सर्कल यहाँ है तो दूसरा इसके एडजेसेंट यहाँ आएगा. ओके, नाउ कंप्लीट ऑल द पार्ट्स. देयर आर 5 पार्ट्स, 3 I have completed. So do the remaining 2 parts in the book.